Welcome back everyone. Just a quick video to show you how to change the battery in a Toyota Yaris key fob. This is a 2019 car, but they're mostly similar around this sort of age. Obviously this is the one with a blade, not the keyless one. So this is how you change the battery. So you've got this back panel, this is where the battery is. You need to prise the cover off, so flathead screwdriver. And then if you see just in this corner, there's a little gap to put the screwdriver in. So in it goes. You just work the key fob cover off. That should be it, a little bit tight. There we go, that's off. And the battery is a 2016, which I've got here to hand. Just gently prise the battery out. Flies across the room usually. So new 2016, the numbers are facing up. So slide that back in there. Let's see. There we go, that's in. Flip the cover back on. That's it, that's done. Just test it on your vehicle now, but that's how to change a battery in a 2019 Toyota Yaris or any Yaris of that era with this style of key. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.